the enchanting land of Everwood, there lived a gentle and adventurous princess named Amelia, with her eyes that sparkled like the forest leaves and her golden hair that cascaded down her back. She was beloved by all who knew her. Amelia's heart was as big as her kingdom, and she spent her days exploring the lush forests and befriending the creatures that called it home. She could speak to animals, a gift granted to her by a wise old owl named Oliver. Together, they helped animals in need and kept the balance of nature. One day, a messenger, Falcon, arrived with troubling news. The magical crystal heart, which protected the kingdom's prosperity, had been stolen by a wicked known as Morgana. Without the crystal heart, the land began to winter, and the once vibrant forest turned grey. Amelia knew that it was her duty to save her kingdom. She donned her shimmering armor, fascinated her magical sword to her side, and mounted her loyal steed. With Oliver perched on her shoulder, she set out on a quest to reclaim the crystal heart and restore Everwood's vitality. Her journey was filled with challenges and unexpected companions. In the Whispering Woods, she saved a lost fawn named Felix from a tangle of thorns. Grateful for her kindness, Felix joined her on her quest, his flute melodies guiding the way. They crossed the enchanted river on the back of gentle water. Serpent adventured through the mystic caves, solving riddles left by the gnomes. Along the way, they encountered a clever fox named Juniper, who offered to guide them through the street-light mountains. After a week of travel, they reached the foreboding Drawback Castle, where Morgana resided. With Juniper's guidance, Amelia and her companions managed to sneak past the guards and enter the castle's hidden chambers. The final confrontation with Moranga was a battle of wits and magic. With the combined efforts of Felix enchanting music, Juniper's cunning and Oliver's wisdom, Amelia overcame Morgan's spell and reclaimed the crystal heart. As the crystal heart was returned to the pedestal, Everwood erupted in a burst of colors and light. The kingdom's beauty and vitality was restored, and the people rejoiced with a grand celebration. Amelia, now hailed as a true heroine, shared the credit with her companions and the magic of friendship that had guided to her. Oliver, the wise old owl, revealed that her selfishness and courage had unlocked a new level of her gift, the ability to speak the heart of the land itself. From then on, Amelia could hear the whispers of the trees and laughter of the rivers and the songs of the winds. Amelia ruled as queen with compassion and wisdom, ensuring that the balance of nature and the well-being of her subjects were always a priority. The legacy of her adventures lived on, inspiring generations to come to be kind, brave, and protect the magic that existed within and around them. So, the story of Princess Amelia became a tale in Everwood, reminding all who heard it that even in the face of darkness, the light of friendship, courage, and love could always prevail. So, lesson of the story is that we shouldn't be underestimate to ourselves that we couldn't do anything. We can, if we think we can. So never stop our steps toward our dreams.